Okay, guys, so I got the broken MD-100. I printed this at twice the speed, so it screwed up in this little spot here. But I've got another MD-100 over here. You can print this, which looks really similar if you're interested in like changing the looks. But what I found is this thing is actually extremely close for this. So that'll be good enough for this one. And then just should make sure that the pieces here fit. Okay, so let's see here. So we'll take this one and we'll get all this tape up here. I was gonna print the other one. This one is on Thingiverse, listed as an MC60, but it's not. It's just somebody designed a holder. But the other one, there's another one on there that I was gonna print, which is an actual, like, legit copy of the actual real holder, which is more shaped like this than like this. But the thing is here, I don't really care. I just need a holder that'll work. If you print this with PLA and do this, it's probably going to break. So I'm just warning you guys. So print it with something else. Also, I'm going to find a lighter so I can melt that stuff. I'll reprint this, but what happened was my print speed is too fast, and so I'm like printing like 100 millimeters a second when I should be printing 50. Okay. I'll just try and get rid of all the hair on this. And I'm not really concerned about the color of it. This is just a microphone somebody gave me. And I think there's another problem in it with the switch. We want to see here is this going to fit through here without modification? No, it is not. So we're going to need to drill this, but it's extremely close. So let me go find a drill bit. All right, so I got a couple of different drill bit sets. Trying to find the one that's the closest to this. So it looks like either 3/16 or 13/64. It's not that one. It's not 3/16. It's not that either. So it might be in between that and the 7/30 seconds. Okay, 7/30 seconds is a little bit on the small side. See, I'm already okay. So I could take that and wobble it out, but what I'll do, 15/64, and that is going to be what it is for sure for this thing. And I think you only have to really drill one side because it goes through one side. I don't think it goes all the way through, but anyway. Literally, that's going to be all it's going to need. So yes, that'll fit. Okay, cool. I can't get the damn thing out of there though. Put my drill bits away. Something I'm very bad at doing in the past. But Brand new drill bits, pretty much. So, okay, we got this here. And you go put it through on, I guess, this side. And we just need this other piece. And put it together. So, if you want to print this, later on when I have time, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description for the video. Make sure this is actually... I gotta find a screwdriver. Okay. Might not... I might have to do a little bit more. It doesn't seem like it's screwing into that. So I think we have too much material. It's part of the way they designed this thing. We have too much material on the side here for this other piece to actually reach in here. It's too small. So, in order to fix this problem, we're going to have to get creative. Another thing I might do, it's just that there's like, it's just too thick, and it's really not thick, you know? It's just some stupid crap. So you could print this and just use a different one, but I don't have anything that I find suitable, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of find something to make it a little bit flatter. So what I'll do is I take a large bit like this, I just go like this, so I can kind of gauge how much material I'm removing. I'll do it to both sides. This works pretty good, especially if the bit's brand new, like these ones are. Okay, so the problem with this is you need to duplicate this. So you're going to have to drill 2 holes. And this holder is close, but anyway, I got it. But the easiest solution is to get your own bolt, I guess. But yeah, as you can see here, so it sits in pretty far. And it's not very thick, but I don't know what the hell they made this crap out of, but it ain't very good. So this guy broke this thing like numerous times. Anyway, this will you know, it's a good enough fix. I had to booger with it quite a bit, and literally, basically one of these is really going all the way through, because I went too far with it. But it's pulling tight on the other side, so we're fine. So that's my 3D printed MD-100. Would really like to get the correct one, but I don't know how to design it, so this one here will work. Now, I did get in here and take this one and upsize it, so I'll try this one later. What I'll do is I'll pull the existing one off of this microphone, which I think is going to be closer. I think this one's going to be closer. The microphone doesn't fit in, so I'm going up 10%. So I'm going to actually probably print that tonight before I go to bed. And if not anything, I'll just have an extra one of these. But it literally wants to take 2 hours to print it. I don't know why. This one printed in an hour, so I guess the other one must be a lot thicker.